The A19 challenge is one that is close to my lived experience. And basically, what I'm giving you is some data from a single event at a swim meet. And let me pull up that data so I can show you the shape of that data a little bit and just describe it to you so you understand what it is that we're looking at. 19. Under files, you'll notice we've got the Plotly data here. Here's the swim times data set. Okay, so I'll save that. That'll open in my spreadsheet, but you can kind of see the data here. Okay, so this is my swim times data set. And so it has several columns, 5 columns, and I can't remember how many rows of data, but basically I've got a race number, a lane number, an automated time. So this would be the time from the swimmer touching the touchpad at the end of the pool when they finish the race. A backup time 1 and backup time 2. So when you go to a swim meet, right, you go to a swim meet that is a youth swim meet like this, not Olympic trials or any of the swim meets you see on TV. You have little touchpads at the end. They're in the water and you touch them at the end and that stops the clock. But in case they don't work properly, you have volunteer parents, 2 for every lane with stopwatches that take to get the time. They write it down for every race in case something goes bad with the touchpads, because it always does. So you have, in a typical swim race, 8 swimmers at a time, each in one lane. So lanes 1 through 8, race number 1. These are all of the times. And you can see the automated time is usually the most accurate. The backup time 1 and backup time 2 is always going to be the same person. So the lane 1 here in race 1, backup timer 1, backup timer 2 are the same ones that you'd have in race 2, lane 1, backup timer 1, backup timer 2. So these are the same people getting those times. That's important because that helps us understand how to analyze the data. So what we're going to do, or what I want you to do, is use the data that's there. And I want you to do some descriptive statistics, maybe some scatter plots, some other plots. And I want you to try and figure out what the story is with that data. What's going on? I can give you a hint. There's some fishy timing going on. So you want to try and identify what's the deal here with the timers. So it's a classic data science problem. And all I want to see is kind of what you did and what you think is going on. This is not a stats class and it's not an English class, so I'm not looking for a research essay. Just a couple of sentences saying, here's what I did, here's what I think is going on, is more than sufficient.